Sprinkles, it's your cupcake girl here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get the Star Shard ingredient in Wacky Wizards. Wacky Wizards. And also, if you were confused why I didn't post on Sunday, it's because I forgot to say on my last video that I'm going to be posting every 2 days. Because I can't be posting every day because I am really busy. So in the next video, I'm gonna be showing you Sprinkles how to get the birch egg. But today I'm gonna be showing you Sprinkles how to get the Star Shard egg. This is gonna be fun. So if you want, you can make a broom because we're gonna be flying somewhere really far, like really far. So also, let's go over here and you see this rocket ship. That's our destination. This is really easy, but just to you Sprinkles that don't know how to do this, I'm gonna be showing you. So here's Elon Musk. You need to talk to him. I don't know why there's Elon Musk here, but he's really cool. Like a jacket, but his face. I thought Mars would have been cooler. Guess it's time to buy blue. That was weird, but oh right, I forgot. I already got the ingredients, so that's gonna show up after. Okay, so I can't reset the message, but he says that you need to make a rocket fuel, and I already did. And to make it, you need to get the chili and the dynamite ingredient that makes rocket fuel potion. So you need 4 of those same potions to fill up these bars. You just need to put them in here, but I can't do that because I already did. And then after, you go into the rocket, and then this animation should show up. It doesn't take that long, it just blasts slowly and then goes faster and faster. And then after a few seconds, you will basically land on Mars. So if you're wondering who is that, well, these 2 people will be will be blasting like blue bullets, I think. I'm not sure, but they will just kill you. They won't kill you immediately, but if you get hit by 5 or 7 times, they will basically kill you. And if you fall down here, you can, and if you go back to the rocket ship, you don't need, sorry about that, but if you fall into the bean lava, I guess, and you go back to the rocket ship, you won't need to get the rocket fuel potions anymore because it will already be full. So that was a relief. So let's jump here, and you can't skip like from here to here. Ow! He shot me. Ow! You can't skip like blocks or you will die. Ow! That wasn't fair. Okay, you will die after 3 shoots. I'm gonna get my broom potion, go all the way back there. Whee! And I'm also gonna check this robot out and see how I can get in here. But that will be for Friday. Because I'm gonna be posting every 2 days, so it's gonna be on Friday. Just need to walk back in the spaceship, and if you want, you can go back here, or if you're done doing both of these obbies, I think. No, obbies. You need to climb up here, go up here, and then there's the Star Shard. I'm just gonna show you Sprinkles how to do it. Whoa! Oh. Avoiding the blue bullets are a bit hard, but you can do it. You don't get shooten at the at this part, just at the obby part, because those are aliens, by the way. Whee! Whoa, no, I'm gonna fall. Oh god, I almost fell. Wow! Hey, stop shooting me. Ow! I'm gonna die. Hey! Stop! Stop! What did I even do to you? Okay, I'm confused what I even did to them, but that's weird. Okay, I'm at the end. And you don't just climb up there, you have to do this obby. You can skip the first one. Or if you want, you can just climb all the way up here. Jump here. Jump here. Here. And then last but not least, the star shard. If you teleport to your cauldron and you put this star shard in your cauldron, spawn the potion, you get the star pulse potion. And if you're wondering what that is, it makes you glow rainbow. And also, if you want, you can mix the star shard ingredient with the frog ingredient. Add it, and it will make this nighttime potion. And if you drink it, look up at the sky will turn to night. And then you're just glow in the dark. But this effect only happens to you, not to other players. Only if they do it themselves, then they will see it. But this is a really cool hack. With the star shard and plus the frog ingredient. That's really cool. I love it. So that's all I have for today, Sprinkles. I'm gonna see you, Sprinkles, on Wednesday. And in Wednesday, I'm gonna be showing you, Sprinkles, how to get the Faberge egg ingredient. Bye, Sprinkles. Have a happy Monday. Bye.